I'm there upon the bench, a cool breeze, I reason with myself. And then I wonder, how many times in the day for man have sex, you know? Pum business. Some guy can't keep up with the pace me set star. Me try with different type, different vibe. Them done quick, and me still fresh. Till me buck up one Nigerian queen from Cross River. Tall, solid, elegant spanten. Real mermaid grade, me tell you. Before anything start, the woman cooks 7-course meal. 7. I should have known say this feel like farewell dinner. She said she from Calabar. I say, wait, who come from place where river cross? That alone should have tell me my life in danger. Me did think me professional. 6 round me maximum. Me say me strong, but brother, she still a go at 9. After that, me can't remember nothing. Darkness. Next thing me know, hospital light bright like Judgment Day. Doctor say my sugar low, body mash up. 3-day bed rest. And the crazy part, the woman pay everything, say call her if them need more money. Me have to take break from the street star. Man need be careful out, yeah? Tell me alone this happen to? And for more ganja reasoning, like and subscribe to 100 Sketch TV. Make we elevate the mind and keep the vibes high. Alright, the people that hide from it till next year. Happy New Year. Stay safe in them street, yeah? Norasta out.